Hey guys, my name is Khaled with FP Automation and Acterys, and I'm going to be presenting with Alp at FABCON, and we're going to teach you how to maximize your investment in Microsoft Fabric, make sure that your organization isn't leaving money on the table, and make sure that you're actually transforming the organization correctly using Microsoft Fabric and learning how to drive decisions and actions within one platform. So what we're going to showcase is how to turn Microsoft Fabric from the semantic and data layer into an application layer where you can drive decisions, maximize revenue, minimize costs, and keep a clear audit log of the decisions and actions driven by your platform. Alp will be introducing exactly how this works, and you guys will get a sneak peek of what's going to be presented at FABCON. Alp, do you want to take it away and share your screen?
Hey guys, Acterys here, also working at FP Automation with Acterys. What you can actually see on my screen right here is a fleet utilization and revenue gap report that we're actually going to be going into a lot more detail at FABCON. Some of the things we're going to be talking about, guys, are revenue gaps. How can you immediately see with all your data now in one place in the application layer, where exactly you have revenue gaps across projects, and you need to be able to plug the gap by putting vehicles in place. So we'll be able to show you how exactly you can see where your revenue gaps are by project, how you need to make a decision whether to buy out or continue to lease a particular vehicle. And then, of course, what does your utilization look like across all your vehicles? Do you have any existing vehicles that can plug in those project gaps? There's going to be a lot more detail we're going to be going into during that FABCON session. We're extremely excited to be able to walk you through it.
The thing that's going to be most exciting about this presentation and why you should attend is that you're going to learn not only from this use case that Alp is going to showcase, but you'll also learn the framework that we use to look at all of our clients and identify where there is opportunity, where the risks are for them, and how they can use data and Acterys to mitigate those risks, unlock revenue, and protect costs for the organization. So we're going to teach you that framework and give you some examples so that you can go home to your organization, figure out where you can use the semantic layer and the application layer, and finally, how you can use both of those to lay the groundworks for AI within Fabric.
Guys, if any of this resonated with you or any of these problems seem familiar, please feel free to check us out at the booth in FABCON.
Go ahead and get in touch with our team or check out our website at any time.